फिर से एक बार आपको मिलने का अवसर मिला। कल आपके विदेश मंत्री भारत में थे तो काफी विस्तार से कई विषयों पर उनकी भी चर्चाएं हुई हैं।
Well, Prime Minister, it's wonderful to see you again. Can I begin by expressing my condolences to the people of India for firstly the terrorist attack at the Balfour car explosion, but also for the bus crash in Saudi Arabia that led to a loss of Indian lives. But we have much to discuss, and our relationship is very strong, never stronger in my view. I think the economic relationship we can strengthen further, and our defence and security ties are also very important going forward. And I look forward to our discussion today. I know our foreign ministers have had a very successful meeting, and I of course saw your minister in Malaysia just a short time ago, and the relationship between us as well. I think the large Indian diaspora in Australia just means those ties are so strong.
Download ShareChat.